And hey guys, it is Fefarater Cole here with you guys. So let's do this. Hi, I am Fefarater Cole. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create snapshot filter using my makeup. I'm so excited to film this video because when I film a video like this on my channel, a creative makeup tutorial on my channel, like a lot of you send messages and commented that you guys love what I did on myself when I transformed myself in the king of the coast. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put up something up here so that you guys can check the video down in the description box down below. I transformed myself from like this to this, and you guys love what you saw, and I want to recreate something different on my channel. So I saw a beauty guru which name is xoxo, and he did a video like this on his own YouTube channel. Guru doing this on his own YouTube channel. I was blown away with what I saw. Recreating an Instagram filter using his own makeup. And when you try to do this video on social, I watched all through this video and it was so inspiring and it was so good. So I saw a snapshot filter that was so inspiring and I was so obsessed with, and I think I'm going to recreate that snapshot filter for you guys. So I did a snapshot video and I saw the snapshot and it was so good. I was obsessed with it. I was using it a lot on my stories, and I feel I should recreate a snapshot filter with you guys. So I definitely filmed a video why I was recreating this look with my makeup on my face. So if it sounds interesting to you, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back once again. I know you guys will be wondering why I changed my background. I actually filmed this video 2 different days. No need to explain more. Now I am going in with a Diva brow pencil. It's a normal regular brow pencil we use here in Nigeria, and I'm just using that to outline the love section like we used to draw the love. So let's zoom in so that you guys will see what I am doing actually. So I filmed this video 2 times. Like the intro was one day and the actual video I was doing it, I want to show you guys how I achieved that snapshot filter, was another day. So it was a lot of work for me. So I'm just outlining the love part, like I'm drawing the love shape on my face so that it will, like, I just want the love part to be very, very accurate. That's why I'm using a Diva's brow pencil, so that in case I make any mistake or I make any error, I can go in with a powder foundation or any powder you have, like just put it on top of it to clean out the mistake I have made, so and correct it so that the love will be in a perfect condition. I hope that makes sense. So I actually drew the love this way, but it was not intense. Like it was not showing very well on camera, so I need to sketch it out. Now I'm using the Million Paulina gel liner, and I'm using the black shade in that gel liner. I'm just trying to like blend everything inside the love I just created. So you're just basically using a tiny little brush to apply it. Like, take your time and do this step. When I said take your time and do this step, just apply it gently. Do not hurry. Patience is this look. Like, I take my time in applying this black gel liner at the edge of every part I need to apply the black shade. So I just take my time and do that. So let me leave you guys to enjoy this video and see that actually Wisin was here. Wisin was like, oops, Will, it was here, he was with me. You guys already always hear Wisin on my video. He's always assisting me when I'm shooting sometime in daylight, so he comes over to help me out. So I really appreciate him a lot, but it's a distraction. It was making me talk, so we were gisting while I was filming this look. But guys, I killed it. Like, I killed it. I slayed this look. I was super excited when I was filming this look for you guys. So just take your time, use a tiny brush and apply the shade at the love area you have already outlined with the Diva brow pencil. So let me leave you guys and enjoy the video. Now I'm using a liner pencil from ZK Cosmetics just to outline the love area very well so that it will be intense and show that it is kind of like a flitter on my face. So I'm using that gel liner to apply that. Sorry guys, I'm holding a mirror in front of me and it is the Nuba Beauty Glow palette I'm holding in my hand. Sorry if that is blocking your way or you're not seeing it very well, but actually I'm going with the Ben & Clanwa eyeshadow base. I would have put a picture somewhere here so that you guys will see what I'm creating, but at the end of this video I put a picture so that you guys will see the finished look. Going with the Ben & Clanwa white base and a flat angle brush and apply that at the tip. I was still discussing with be seen. Guys, just ignore that. Just please ignore me discussing with my friend. So after I finished this part of the face, I was actually feeling myself, so I go off camera and did the other side of the love, and I used that same ZK eyeliner pencil or eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, to create freckles on my face. Guys, it was not working for me, so I just have to like make it come out so I can make the freckles of the flitter that was on the Instagram. So I'm just using like applying black dots on my face, just apply black dots because the Snapchat flitter has that same freckles on it, so I need to put that on my face. So this look is very easy. Like I said, I was so excited in filming it to you guys, and I love what I did on myself. Like I killed it actually. I love it so much. And let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below. If I did great, if I recreated this look very well, and don't forget to drop a comment. If you learn one or more from this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. So I just apply all the freckles on my face and that is the finished look. So there's no much thing for me to say again, but I killed it. Like I killed it. Why am I praising myself this much? But I'm excited in filming this video to you guys. So this is the finished look. If you guys love it, actually give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching down to this part of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you learn one or two, give it a thumbs up also. Drop a comment in the comment section down below. I love you all, and click that subscribe button to join my Fefarater's family and hit the ring bell button so you'll be notified when I'm posting a brand new video. I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Remember, there's a picture in the end of the video. Bye bye guys. I love you people so much. See ya. Bye. Stay tuned. Stay blessed. Mwah. We gotta get straight into this video. Okay. Let me do that today again. Right. And hey guys, it is Fefarater Cole here with you guys. So let's do this. Okay, let me get myself on camera back. Let me just get myself. Okay. Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to recreate. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a Snapchat flitter using your makeup. It's in my fucking makeup. Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create your makeup, how to create Snapchat makeup, how to create Snapchat filter using. Okay, let's just be serious. Hey guys, I'm going to show you in today's video. I'm going to show you how to recreate. I don't need to say how to recreate, how to create.